Let me ask you a simple question. Where is your money right now? In your bank account? Safe? Secure? But what if I tell you that the moment you put your money into a bank, it is no longer completely yours? The truth is, banks don't just keep your money, they use it. And the biggest benefit of that money goes to the bank, not to you. Credit cards are part of the same system. Credit cards are not designed to make you rich. They are designed to make banks rich. Today, I will explain the credit card and banking system in the simplest way possible. Imagine you want to buy something, a phone, shoes, or a new gadget, but you don't have cash. A friend comes to you and says, "Take the money now, pay me later." That friend is the credit card company. Money today, payment later. Sounds easy, right? But there is one small condition. If you don't pay on time, you have to pay extra money. That extra money is called interest. Here's a simple example. You spend $100. You don't pay it back on time. Later, you end up paying $120. The bank did nothing. No hard work, no risk. You did the work. The bank made the money. That extra money is the real business of banks. Now listen carefully. Credit cards are not just tools for borrowing money. They are tools built on human psychology. When you pay with cash, you feel the pain. You see money leaving your wallet. But with a credit card, you don't feel that pain. You just swipe, and it's done. That's why spending feels easy. This is not an accident. It is design. Banks know that when people don't see money leaving, they spend more. So banks increase your credit limit. They send offers. They say things like no-cost EMI. You feel like you're making a smart decision, but slowly you are stepping into the system. One missed payment and interest starts. 20%, 30%, sometimes even more. What looked like a small purchase slowly becomes a big problem. You tell yourself, "I'll just pay the minimum amount this month. Next month, I'll pay everything." But next month, you swipe again. Then another minimum payment, then another. Slowly, you are working just to pay interest to the bank. Now understand this important point. Credit cards are not evil. Credit cards are tools, but any tool can be dangerous if you don't know how to use it. Rich people use credit cards differently. They pay the full bill, they avoid interest, they use rewards and benefits. What do most middle-class people do? Minimum payment, interest payment, and they get stuck in a debt cycle. Same credit card, different mindset, different result. Banks don't make money from your hard work. They make money from your interest payments. That's why the system rewards discipline and punishes emotional decisions. So what is the solution? You don't need to fear credit cards, and you don't need to worship them either. You just need to understand them. Pay your full bill on time. Avoid interest. Use rewards wisely. Keep control in your hands, because a credit card is not money. It is borrowed time. And the moment you understand how the money system works, money stops controlling you. If this video helped you understand money a little better, subscribe. Not for hype, but for clarity. Because in a world run by money, the people who understand the system are the ones who move ahead.